See if we can't find an X that we like. Basically, how they're sitting is what I'm looking at. I mean, it's the same as up there. I'm just trying to see what I have here. Okay, so we got short top, long top. Okay. If we go a little super big like this. Or what if we swoop a little bit and then come through? Okay. So I'm trying to be quick here. There's a few things that I like. There's a few things that I don't like. I'm going to just try a couple circles over these, see something real quick. See if I can. I'm just trying different things. Give me a second. That looks more like a cross to me. I don't really want it to be a cross. Let's see if I. No. I'm using shape language right now to try to get a feel for what I want. And I don't want to be too harsh, so I don't really want jagged edges. I don't think, not at least not too many of them. Um, XXX. What can I do with you that nobody else has done? Just trying to figure it out. Let's see here. What if I go with a 4-point star? I kind of like that 4-point star. Yeah, I kind of like that 4-point star. Okay. Now, let me see. I'm going to add a layer. Let's see this. Hold on 1 second, you guys. Command T is how you take that layer and you make that layer smaller. You take that layer and you make that layer smaller with Command T. That's how you grab it, put it in free transform mode, and you free transform that sucker. You free transform that sucker the way you want it. So now I think I got somewhat of an idea about what we're going to do here. I'm not positive, but we're going to see how we like it. May not be great, may be just okay, but we're going to figure it out. I kind of like the 4-point. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that 4-point right here. and I'm going to Command T it. And I'm going to pull that sucker right out here. And I'm going to make it bigger because that's what I want to do. And I'm going to hold that right there. And I'm going to see about adding something to it to make it mine. Okay. X marks the spot is what I went with. So I don't know what we're going to go with. X marks the spot, but it's X marks the spot. So I got to make it pretty different here. So we're going to try to make it different. Here lately I've been going with a lot of teal. So I figure that my color might as well stay teal, might as well. You know what? I'm not going to do that to myself. I'm not going to make myself boxed down by any colors. Not today. So what I am going to do is look at the time, make sure I got time because I got to go pick up somebody ASAP. Okay. We're good here. Now, let me see. Hardness. Yes, I like that. Let it be just a little bit bigger. Yeah. This is going to be the logo, ladies and gentlemen. Just weird, shaped. And I don't really want the what's it called? The star to line up. So I kind of want it to be a little bit weirdly shaped. Let me see. Okay, hold on. Let me see. I'm almost done. I ended up making it sharp anyway after I wanted to say I wanted it friendly.